Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Reef Finance price update. What's the price? What's the price changes over on Reef Finance? Let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update video, guys. Guys, in this video, if we talk about the current price update of Reef Finance, so the current price of Reef is about 0.028525 USD dollar. That is the current price of Reef Finance. Other side, you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Reef Finance is completely negative. So don't worry about these changes, but very soon you found Reef Finance is in the huge pump. Let me show you the price chart. Now you can see here the price of Reef Finance is in the huge pump, but don't worry guys, very soon the changes of Reef will become positive. As you can see here in the previous time, the price already taken a huge pump, 54.34% changes on the Reef Finance. Now if we talk about the highest price is 0.033754 USD dollar, that is the highest price of Reef Finance. Don't worry, very soon you found Reef Finance is in the huge pump. Anyways guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Reef Finance here in the comment box? And guys, if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. My prediction is positive, and I believe that in the beginning of November there is higher possibilities that the price of Reef Finance will pump. So guys, just hold, because the huge pump of Reef Finance is coming. And you can see here also the price of Reef will highly pump from 14 October, and for here yesterday the price of Reef is a short time dump, and now in the latest situation again the price pump. And my prediction is positive that November month is a profitable month for Reef holders. So guys, just hold, refinance, and if you want to buy, so buy now. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Reef? Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.